Basic things to know. Bolt, nut, plane washer, spring washer. Spring and plane washers are used to keep the nut lock from vibrations. An A marking to identify if the bolt is stainless steel. How to measure a metric bolt. M16X60 RAM stands for metric, and 16 mm is the diameter size of stud. 60 mm is the length of stud. Focus in right-hand thread, as this is most common. When you are tightening, it is always clockwise. Always imagine the rotation of the clock. What is 16K15 means on the valve? "16K is the maximum pressure it can take with a unit of bars, 16 bars max, while 15 is the nominal diameter of the valve with a unit of 15 mm.